What you're looking at here is something you don't see every day in a working motorcycle shop. This is a 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Road King. In 2014 was the final year Harley produced the Road King under the CVO program. Finished in titanium dust over galactic black, it's a color scheme that looks classy from a distance, but when you walk up on it, you realize just how much detail Harley put into these bikes. Only 3,211 CVO Road Kings were produced for the 2014 model year. That makes every one of these bikes fairly rare, and when a customer brings one into the shop in this kind of condition, it deserves a proper spotlight. This bike came from the factory with Harley's Project Rushmore upgrades, including reflex-linked ABS brakes and improved touring features. It also received the Daymaker LED headlight, which was a big leap forward in nighttime visibility. From the factory, it also came equipped with a heavy breather intake, extended saddlebags with one-touch latches, and a premium tuck-and-roll CVO seat. Power comes from the twin cam 110 cubic inch engine paired to a 6-speed cruise drive transmission. These motors are known for torque, producing around 118 foot-pounds at roughly 3,750 RPMs. This is the kind of engine that feels strong in real-world riding, not just on paper. This bike is not bone stock, and the modifications on it are well thought out. Up front, it's running a custom 21-inch front wheel. The wheel stretches the stance of the bike visually and modernizes the look without turning it into a full bagger conversion. On a Road King, especially a CVO, a 21-inch wheel keeps things classy rather than flashy. Up top, the bike is equipped with 16-inch ape hangers. These are not just slapped on. The wiring and cables are done correctly with proper routing and no binding at full lock. The bars create more upright, commanding riding position that suits the Road King's long-distance nature. In the rear, there's a matching custom sissy bar. It balances visually with the tall bars up front and still respects the lines of the factory saddlebags. Functionally, it's useful for two-up riding or securing gear, making it more than just a styling piece. The paint still shines, the bike still reads CVO, and it hasn't been pushed so far that it limits who would want to own it next. This Road King is tastefully personalized example of one of Harley's most collectible modern touring bikes. It's rare, finished right, and still true to what Harley intended when they built the CVO program. So, as usual, I really appreciate you watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button. If you don't, thanks for watching anyway, because I know you got this far in the video. I'm always here at the shop, usually. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email me or call on the phone. If you're within 100 miles, come on by one day. You know, if you have something you want done, come on by and see the shop, talk to us. We're just regular dudes. So, I'm Steve Carr, and I'll talk to you later.